Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making lemon roasted garlic green beans. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 pound of French green beans. They've been trimmed and rinsed. First things first, boil water in a medium pot. Then to that, we're gonna add the green beans to the water and blanch the green beans for 2 minutes. So what I'm trying to achieve here, guys, is the vibrant green color and texture. Next, we are going to remove the green beans from the boiling water and plunge them into the ice cold water to stop the cooking process. This is called shocking. Then we're gonna drain the green beans and set them aside until ready to use. Now let's move to the stove. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add oil and the butter. As soon as the butter has melted, we're gonna add the onions, saute them until slightly softened. If it's your first time here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Next, we are going to add the green beans. Toss in garlic and lemon zest. Give it a good stir. These green beans, they have texture, flavor, and they are so delicious. Add red pepper flakes, then season with salt and black pepper. Add lemon juice, then continue to saute until the beans are cooked in the butter and heated through, let me say, about 5 to 6 minutes. There you have it, guys. Lemon roasted garlic green beans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.